Just fake it. Just fake it. Just fake it. Just fake it. My, just fake it. Do do you do? Deceive. I make fake shit that you believe. Thank you for trusting me. When your mind is blind and your eyes won't see. Feels good to go in the pool. The fake DISS for you. Green screen is what we all embrace, but we don't like to talk about bubbles in space.
Bubbles in space?
I told you, old boy. Just fake it.
You don't remember the question from Tampa? You guys are in an underwater pool.
Just fake it. Look in my eyes, man. Just fake it.
We know. Just remember.
Bubbles in space?
Break it down. Stop. Scammer time. Zero G is what we bring. All you see are puppets on a string. To Mars, CGI. But we also use the fake satellite. For real. They're on a big balloon. And we also fake pictures of the moon. You fool. You think it's where we walk? If you have some doubt, we let Don do the talk.
I'd go to the moon in an atom.
Yeah. Just fake it.
The problem is we don't have the technology to do that anymore.
Just fake it.
It's a painful process to build it back again.
Just fake it. Ring the bell. School's back in. Break it down. Stop. Scammer time. Just fake it. Just fake it. Just fake it. Break it down. Stop. Scammer time. Scammer time. Scammer time. Scammer time. Scammer time.
I'd like to show more fakery, but unfortunately there's lots of science and lots of repair to do on station, so that will certainly keep us all busy. There's the scientific research, and then there's what I refer to as engineering research.